Hello guys, I've seen some clamping forces in our catalog of the System 16. I've got 4 clamps with me. Check it out. So first of all, we start with our standard clamp, and this should reach about 2.5 kilonewton. Let's try it. The next clamp is our basic screw clamp, and this should be up to 2.5, so the same as before. So this is our next clamp, and this is the pipe clamp universal. This should reach the 0.6 kilonewton. Let's check it out. Now this is our last clamp. This is the screw clamp with round pipe, and it should reach the 1.5 kilonewton. So this was System 16, but we also got the 28 and the 22 system. Like and comment below if you want to see this.